Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through creating a folder in SharePoint step by step on the web interface. First, go to your SharePoint site and open the document library where you want to create the folder. Click on Documents in the left side navigation menu. That's the default document library. The document library view will open, showing you any existing files and folders that are already there. Just a heads up, you'll need at least contribute access to the library to create folders. If you're a visitor with read-only access, you won't see the folder creation option. Next, click the plus new button at the top right of the document library. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several creation options. From that drop-down, select Folder. A Create a Folder dialog box will pop up on your screen. In the name text field, type whatever you want to call your folder. As you type, the text will appear in the field. You'll also notice a folder color selector in this dialog. It defaults to yellow, but you can pick a different color. The color option is completely optional. It's a nice way to visually organize your folders. About folder names, SharePoint doesn't allow certain characters, so avoid using less than, greater than, colons, quotation marks, forward slashes, backslashes, pipes, question marks, asterisks, hashtags, or percent signs. Also, don't end your folder name with spaces or periods. SharePoint will either strip them out or reject the name entirely. Once you've typed your folder name and picked a color if you want one, click the Create button. The dialog box will close and your newly created folder will appear in the document library view. If you don't see it right away, just refresh your browser. Now, you can click on that folder to open it and start uploading files into it. If you want to create folders inside other folders, make sure you're already inside the parent folder before you click plus new again. That way the new folder gets created in the right place. The folder color feature is genuinely useful. If you're managing multiple projects in one library, you can color code by team, priority, or whatever system works for you. And there we go, folder created in SharePoint. Thanks for watching. See you next time.